This is the update to what I was trying to pull out yesterday. So the market is playing is in a ranging mode for the past how many hours now? I think for the past 2 to 3 hours, market has been in range. So what I was expecting yesterday, like I said yesterday, was let me see, let me show what. Yes, this was what I explained yesterday in the last video I did yesterday. So I was expecting price to take out this liquidity here, then pick up this point of interest, and if this should fail, I'll be looking for this to trigger and to go in the buy direction. But look at what the price did this morning. Look at what happened. A new what was it called? A new break of structure was seen here, and another point of interest was defined here. Also, after this, I was trying to be conscious of this low here, this low. I was trying to be conscious of this low. That's why you can see in the next video, in the next image, I pull out another point of interest at that particular place. I think the network is bad. Let me go back to this. Okay, that was why I pull up this point of interest here. Then that is one. The other thing that make me want to pull up this point of interest here is the low of this Asian session down here. So I was expecting price to take out this low of Asian session, then pick up this point of interest, then go in the buy direction. But look at what is happening. The low still, the OB at the low of Asian session, still hold the market, still hold the price. Put my stop loss at this low here in case there's a spike to pick up this point of OB, a point of interest, then move in my direction. So this is the current situation of the market right now. I've been in profit and been out of profit and been in profit and been out of profit for the past 2 hours, but still I'm still holding this buy position. So the whole point I'm looking for to take my profit is within this daily structure here. This daily structure, the H4 structure we have at this top here. But what I will do is I won't close up the market immediately. Price get there. I'll wait for reaction. Once I see the reaction in this particular level, then I close the trade. But for now, I'm still holding the buy. And if this buy should fail, I'll be looking for this next point of interest as my main focus. But for now, this is what I'm looking at, and this is what is happening here. So if this I2 is taken out, I believe this I is the high for the Asian session. Let me see. That's Asian high. You can see that's the Asian high. So if that is taken out, I'll be looking for additional buy entry here. That means if this I is taken out, I'll be looking for price to pull back and take me in any of the hobby that I can identify at this level. Then we'll go long again. But for now, this is the only entry that I'm into, and I'm holding up to this. And let's see how this plays in the next few hours, in the next few minutes, thereabout. And if you are going to be on break even today, that's fine. That's fine. And we have a news coming up by I think 3 p.m. thereabout. Yes, 3 p.m. JOLT job openings. I don't know what that is, but it's an high impact news. It's high impact news. You can see high impact news. So anything can happen by 3 p.m. today, and let's see if that is going to affect this whole movement, and if that has been the reason why we are having ranging markets ever since. So sometimes the market ranges, then pull away immediately the news comes out. But for now, this is what we are seeing, and this is what I'm doing currently, holding up to this and watching how price will react to this level here. Once price react to this level here, once price gets to this level, I'm going to put this market on break even, this trade on break even, and just be risk free. And that is almost 50 pips. That's more than 50 pips. That's 70. That's almost 70. That's 70 pips. So if price will get here, at least I will take out some profit, then lock the rest. I will take out like 50% of the trade around this level, then put the rest on break even. So then until the price gets to this final take profit. So that's what I'm going to do. In case my price get there, pull out 50. I'm okay with the 50 if that is going to be all what I'm going to have today. Then I'll put the remaining 50 on break even just to secure, to be on the safer side, not to have any negative trade today. But still, let's still wait to see the market reaction. This is the update to the trade I took this morning, and like I said earlier on, I was hoping the price should get to this point, and it actually did. So before then, before price get to that level, I think there was a news. Yes, there was a news by 3 p.m. that I was showing in the previously, and the news had an effect on the trade actually. So I was able to take out the trade 15 minutes before the news. I pull out at this candle before this weak rejection started. I pull out of this trade. So like I said earlier, I was expecting price to react to this high here, which is the Asian high, but price broke it with this candlestick here, with this bearish with this bullish candle. So I was able to hold on to this trade after putting it to break even. What I was expecting was to see a reaction at this level here, and once I see reaction, I will take out 50% of my trade and put the remaining 50 on break even to see how market will move. And fortunately, price broke that level, and I was able to catch around 150 pips from the movement before the news, and see how price just tap into that level, then started dropping down. So that is how this market routine behave. So the very best thing is just for you to know what exactly you're looking for and how you want to trade it, and then you go for it. The next thing I'll be looking out for is for clear price reaction. I want to see clear movement. Now this is done. We still have this here. This can still be respected either tomorrow, late in the night, or in the midnight thereabout. So I still have this level that I'm still looking up to. I'm still looking up to this level because price can still make it down here, then still give me the buy signal. But for now, I took the buy here and I was able to catch 150 pips. So let's see how market will move, will react to this. So the next OB, again, the next point of interest that I will be looking out for is this movement here, and I'll be looking out for this liquidity to be taken out. Let's see how this will move against tomorrow. Let's see how this will move against tomorrow. So I'm expecting the movement here. Let's see how price will move, will react. So this level has been taken out, and there's our break of structure. So we're looking at the movement against tomorrow before we know what to do exactly. So the reason why I'm most likely to be on the safer side of the market is because I used to like wait for price reaction. Price need to react to my levels. Price need to react to my point of interest before I know what to do. Now look at this. If at all this morning trade that I took this morning, the trade that I took this morning, if at all I'm going to be stopped out, at least I've ascertained that price got to my point of interest, then give me this bullish movement. That was what put me into this trade in the morning. So price reacting to this level again, I'm less concerned about that. So once I saw my confirmation, then I pull in. So price coming into that level again, then still reacting, giving some kind of confirmation again. That gives me some kind of confidence that this level is going to hold the price, and price is going to go up according to my prediction. And that was what really happened this morning, and you can see 150 pips, boom. So the whole movement started from this point, from this H4, then this daily structure and H4 structure. So this what was it called, this impulse movement here started the whole movement. You can see this impulsive movement started the whole setup here, and let's see how price will still react to that. Then before I round this up, let me go back to 4 hours to see what price is really doing there. So let me clear off this for a second. So looking at what the price is doing currently now, it's very clear for me that okay, price might still try to pull into this H4, then give me some kind of bearish setup for me to go short and look at price reacting to this level, this daily structural level. Then if not, and if this should just drop that way, I will be looking out for buy setup within this structure. Then I will know what exactly to do after that. So that is how I trade. I look at the higher time frame for me to know exactly what is happening. I saw this, I predicted this downfall here, and this was a huge one. Around how many pips? About 370 pips fall from here to here. And I saw this bullish also. I saw that also about 370 pips movement again. So if you are able to just look into onto the 4 hours, the daily, the weekly, depending on which one you're using for your analysis, once you're able to see that from your higher time frame, that tells you a lot of story that is going to happen in the future. So you'll be able to predict what is going to happen. You will know the direction of the market. Now I know where the market is heading to. If price should make its way back into this H4 structure, I'll be looking to short it, and if it closes above this structure, I'll be looking to go long onto this level. That is where the market can give you a lot of profit. The best thing for you is just to do your top-down analysis, then be patient enough to go along with the market direction. So that will be all for now. I'll be looking at this price. I'm done trading today. This is 6:33, and that's all for the day. I've been able to catch 150 pips today, and that is enough for me for the day. Tomorrow we're looking at price reaction at this level for short or buy setup, or when price make it down here before we wake up, I'm looking at the long short setup or the short setup. It just depends on what the market is doing currently. So that will be all for now, and tomorrow again I pull up the chart again, then look for opportunity in the market, then we'll go again as usual. So that will be all for now. Bye.